Okay, Global 10. Here is just a little overview of the assignment on Kemal Ataturk and modernization in Turkey. Um, this one is very short. It's really only 3 pages long, including some multiple choice questions. Just a little talk about Ataturk. The first one starts with the Ottoman Empire, and this should really be review for you guys because we've been over this, what caused the fall of the Ottoman Empire. And if by reading this little reading here, you will be able to answer the next 2 questions. The first parts are introductory, and then you're going to get the answer to number 1 in this paragraph and number 2 in this paragraph, and the rest of number 2 in this third paragraph. So you should be able to work through that, what happened there. The big thing here is Ataturk, and he is really the founder or father of modern Turkey. When he took over in 1923 until his death in 38, he wanted to modernize Turkey and turn it into a more Western or European style country. His 3 main goals were to modernize, turn it into an industrial society, secularize, which was to downplay the role of religion in Turkey, and then to westernize, which was really to adopt some of the ways of the Europeans in there. So in this section here, you will find out what Ataturk did to believe to transform Turkey. So make your answers are right in this section for those. So make sure you get those in there. And then you're going to have to follow a little link outside to the History Channel and answer these other 2 for some examples of the reforms that secularized Turkey and reforms that westernized. So when you're looking at secularized, you're looking for ones that decrease the power of religion in Turkey. When you're looking at westernized, how did they become more like the Europeans? And then finally, I've just got 4 multiple choice for you here. And these should be pretty straightforward for you. Make sure you read carefully, as I've said 100,000 times when you're reading these Regents questions. Make sure you're reading all 4 responses, not just the first one that sounds likely, because oftentimes on Regents questions, they stick in one that is 99% right, and there's 1 word in there that messes it up. And it won't be the right answer. Just bold or highlight the correct answer so that I can check them over and see how you did. Like I said, this one in the intro video, this one should not take you more than a half an hour, if that. So good luck with that, and make sure you watch this video, obviously, before.